This is how you can save 10% on any service you need on Fiverr. Fiverr is an amazing platform that connects businesses and individuals with talented freelancers from around the world. Whether you're looking for a logo design, video editing, or even a virtual assistant, Fiverr has got you covered. I've got a special discount that can get you 10% off any service on Fiverr. Simply click the link in the video description to reveal the promo code and enter it at the checkout page. You'll instantly save 10% on your purchase. This is a limited time offer, so be sure to take advantage of it while you can. Using the discount is super easy. Browse Fiverr and find the service you need. Add the service to your cart. Click the link in the video description to reveal the promo code. Enter the promo code at the checkout page and enjoy your 10% discount. Please note that this discount is limited to one use per user, and it cannot be combined with any other promotions or discounts. So be sure to use it wisely and take full advantage of the savings. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to save on your next Fiverr project. Head over to Fiverr, find the service you need, and don't forget to click the link in the video description to reveal the promo code and enter it at checkout to get 10% off. Happy freelancing!